Okay, we're back. It's me, Gomer, here trying to help out my friend Gomer. Gomer trying to help out Goober. Anyway, we're back here trying to fix this John Deere tractor, and I'm going to go to the next step now, try to get this oil leak fixed. So, there's our plate. I'm going to get that off here. Nuts off. Try not to lose them. Put them somewhere where I ain't gonna lose them. I'm gonna pull our cap off. There you go. There's all that oil up in there. I'm just gonna take this here sponge out. Pull it out. And there it is. All full of oil. Nasty. So we're just gonna discard this and put in a new gasket and seal her back up, and hopefully you should be cutting grass again. So shout out to my brother-in-law Goober for helping me out with this project. See, Goob.